To generate sales invoice in Nimbus, we go to the menu item sales and then sales and return. On sales and return screen, we can optionally attach salesmen to the invoice. All previously defined salesmen are populated and we can select any salesman. And also if we like, we can attach a customer to the invoice. Already defined customers will be populated. Next is the loading of the item. We can load the item either by scanning the barcode in this box or directly typing the code of the item, or we can populate the list from which we can select the items. For list population, we can either click this list button or press F1 or F6 and we will see the list of items. Here we can either search by name or we can then just click the items which we want to load and then press escape. Complete invoice will be ready for us and then we can go to the payment option. There are two payment options. Either we can press the cash receipt, which is a quick save method in which the system will directly save the invoice and give you the receipt. The other is the detailed payment method in which the tender screen will open up and we can give multiple tenders so that the payment is broken up into different payments methods. And once we fill up the tender screen, we press the save button. Sales receipt will be generated and we can print the receipt by pressing this print button. We press this print button and then close this screen. We can modify existing invoices which we have made by pressing the search tab, and here we have two options, either press search or for detailed search we press search criteria. From search we will have the already made invoices, select the appropriate invoice and click edit receipt. Here we can make changes, like we can change the quantity, or we can void any item. If we want to remove the item from the invoice, we can also void the complete invoice. Once this is done, we press the payment button. If we want to make some changes in the tenders, payment tenders, we do this, or otherwise we press update. And this will complete the editing process. An invoice will be modified.